Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So my next live stream is going to be coming up this weekend. I'm going to go over a 12-week workout schedule for 5K. So if you folks are training for 5, whether you're a coach and you have a cross-country season that you're working on, you just want a little bit of a different perspective from another coach, this might be a good video for you. Whether you're looking for a little bit of structure training that you can build your runs around, this is a good video for you as well. If you just want some more 5K workouts, this is a good video for you as well. So coaches and athletes, I would definitely encourage you to take a look at it. If you're available on Saturday, come join me in the live stream. If not, the video will be available after that on Sunday and or even later that day. But I'm going to go over a 12-week schedule of workouts. I'm going to give you a midday workout and an end-of-week workout or a weekend workout that can easily be transferred over, converted into a race. Should you want to race a couple of races, but it's designed with the end of running your best 5K at the end of the 12-week period. So, and again, doesn't matter what level you are, whether you're 25-minute 5K, 20-minute 5K, 15-minute 5K, it doesn't matter. These are all workouts that I've utilized with a lot of athletes at all levels with quite a bit of success. So it's going to be broken down to 3-4 week blocks, right? And you'll see there's an emphasis on each block, and I'll go over the emphasis. And it's designed for you being at your most ready when it counts the most. Not 4 weeks early, not 6 weeks early or whatever. There's no doing too much of stuff too soon and all this stuff. It's based in periodization, so you have an adaptation period each 4 weeks, and then you transition to the next 4 weeks, give yourself time to adapt, and then the last 4 weeks where you give yourself time to freshen up and adapt as well. And that's the key. Adaptation is absolutely critical. Whatever you're training for, getting used to some stuff, and again, you'll see patterns, and you can easily fit runs around it, and I can help you plug in runs around it. And so if you have questions on the live stream, you can ask me how I would plug in the runs around it. But it's generally based on a Tuesday, Friday schedule, or Wednesday, Saturday, or Tuesday, Saturday. Whatever works for you, you can easily make it work. And based on your lifestyle, your practice schedule, and whatever else you're doing. And again, whether you're a coach or an athlete, it doesn't matter. Okay, you'll find stuff here that's applicable for you. So I hope you can join me on Saturday. It'll be at 3 p.m. Eastern time. And if you can, again, take a look at the video afterward, and always take a look at my running Instagram page, Top of the Line Running as well. I'll always be posting there in congruency with this, so that you'll know exactly what's going on. But if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you do that right now and hit the notification so you don't miss future videos. And I've got 200 plus videos of fully detailed training from 800 meters up to the marathon. So take a look at them as well. So, and subscribing is really, really helpful to the channel. If you like the videos, please hit the like button too, and the notification will notify you exactly when the new videos are coming out. So, hope to see you on Saturday. Have a great week. I'll talk to you next time.